Good day, everybody. Let me introduce PracIT. Well, PracIT is a complementary tool to complement the IDE called CodeMesh. So, CodeMesh was introduced to cut down issues that other traditional IDEs have when it comes to novice programmers. So, PracIT will actually complement CodeMesh furthermore. For an example, error messages. Error messages tend novices to give up quite easily. So, PracIT will have the ability to make life much easier for novices. Then, furthermore, self-learning is really hard. Teachers' help is not given always. Then, the internet is quite a big area. There's so much knowledge, but you might not be able to track down what is the most relevant one. Books are quite boring to read, and then copy pasting will not encourage you in the future or will not help you in the future. And then when it comes to classroom situation, when a teacher is teaching, the teacher may not be able to pay attention to everyone's questions equally. And then you will give up quite easily without the correct motivation. So the guiding students to find a solution for an error is one of our unique features. So we will be giving them useful hints and enhancing the error message as well. Well, how are we going to enhance our error message? We're going to enhance the error message by telling them how it occurred, where it occurred, and even giving examples to how to improve yourself in the future to not get errors like this. Give knowledge about the error as well. Furthermore, the debugger tool will actually help the user to get a visual demonstration of what is going on in the program, meaning that they can know how the variable states change, how the values change as well. And furthermore, the pair programming is encouraged in our system, meaning the assistive tool is smart enough to give corrective feedback to the code that is being written by the student and encourage the student to perform better. So the tools are we have used AngularJS and Java EE for our base implementation. Then we have Jenkins and Firefox and MySQL and MongoDB for our databases. And we have followed the best programming practices possible. And we have used revision controls as well. And here's a short demo of our system. So as you can see that just with the click of a button, the error will be fixed. And then furthermore, so when you're simulating the program here, you can see that it will actually tell you which scope you are in. So when the scope changes, even the color changes to give a additional idea of what is going on. So here it will also explain that how the area variable changed and what affected it as well. මෙතන තත්පර 10ක් විතර අයින් කරලා දාන්න. So here you can see that when the student tries to input a variable name instead of a string which is not initialized, they will get a more detailed report of what is going on. Instead of giving the normal error, they will get a more detailed, knowledgeable error message as well. So even here you can see that they will get a more detailed error message even when it comes to runtime errors. So then our business plan is that ICT has another, they're going to start an initiative to introduce programming as a compulsory subject to all the schools, and our system will actually complement that too. And our targeted users are school students, university students, and even individual users out there. So we found that in the second and third columns, as you can see in this statistics, that there is 1 million rough market share for us out there. And from this, we have derived using these statistics that how many of these people are actually having the resources and who is feasible to use our system. So to promote our system, we use traditional methods as well as some web-based methods as well. And then money. Well, a single user can have for less than $1, and a team or let's say universities can have it for just under $100 with unlimited users. And then the school students will get it for free. School students, as in government schools, and peer students. Then we are going to distribute our system up to 50,000 users the first year, second year up to 200,000, and third year by a million. So we are going to start off in these areas because they have a high computer literacy rate in these provinces in Sri Lanka, then spread to the whole world. So we found that it's just 70 rupees to promote our system and acquire a user, and our ratio to customer lifetime value to customer acquisition is 3 to 1, which is very good. And we are always available, and our system is scalable because it is cloud based and a web based system. And then we also encourage like logical creativity, and we do not discourage any users who are using our system. Thank you.